So I've used a lot of cleaning products over the years, and this really did a fantastic job of helping to clean my dog's bed here. I've had this for a couple years, and just recently my dog did have an accident. So what I did was I cleaned it out using my little Hoover vac, and then what I did was I sprayed this right on top of it. I like how the fact that it's a neutralizer. It uses enzymes to help neutralize scents. So this, after about 2 cleanings, I was able to spray it down, take out any stains that were inside the pad, and then also it got rid of all the scent that was in there from the accident that my puppy did have. I highly recommend this. I've used a lot of different cleaners over the past few years from when I've had my dog, and I can definitely say this was worth the purchase.